Today I'm going to show you how to add a security key to X, formerly known as Twitter, step by step. This is one of the best ways to protect your account, because a security key adds an extra layer of security beyond your password and makes it much harder for anyone else to get in. If you use X for business, content creation, or just personal browsing, turning on this feature is a smart move. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First, log into your X account and make sure you're on the main screen. On the left-hand side of your screen, click More in the main navigation menu. This opens up the full list of account options, including your settings. Next, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy settings, and security options. Once you're inside, look for Security and Account Access, and then choose Security. This section is specifically designed for account protection, login methods, and verification settings. Now click on Two-Factor Authentication. If you're not already using two-factor authentication, this is the section where you can turn on extra login protection. From here, you'll see the option to add a security key. Choose that option to begin the setup process. At this point, X will guide you through adding your security key. Depending on the type of key you have, you may need to insert it into your device, tap it, or follow the instructions to register it with your account. Make sure you carefully follow each on-screen prompt. The key will usually need to be linked while you're signed in, so keep your account access open and nearby during setup. Once the security key is added, X may ask you to confirm it by using the key again. This is completely normal and helps make sure everything is working correctly. After confirmation, your security key will be connected to your account and ready to use the next time you log in. That's it. You've now added a security key to your X account. This gives you a much stronger layer of protection and helps keep your profile safe from unauthorized access. If you ever change devices or need to manage your login methods later, you can come back to this same security section. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.